Well, hello and welcome to a new video. So today I am creating the ad for my Christmas mini sessions. My models are my own kids and they're super excited because they love coming to the studio and having their picture taken. So I guess I'm really fortunate as a photographer to have kids who like to be in a photo. It's already a little bit late. It's almost November. I think it's the 1st of November today. I'm not quite sure. So hopefully I can put up my ad in the coming week and then have my session and then just deliver the galleries really fast so that people can still print their Christmas cards. So yeah, I'm a little bit later this year because I'm moving studios and I had to wait for my backdrops to come in. I have them from foxbackdrop.com. They ship really fast. I wasn't home to receive the package for like a week and a half. So yeah, but they ship really fast and it's vinyl, so it's great. I'm going to show you the material later. I have a whole bag here full of clothes and shoes and hats and scarves. And here is the actual, well, here are two Christmas backdrops. So my kids are here, they are playing a game and they have the tablet. So if you hear something in the background, it's my models. So this is a very large package. I think it's like 3 meters long, even longer, because I think the backgrounds are 3 meters long and it's moving inside. I actually got this in my car, and you gotta consider that we have European/Asian cars here. So no big American cars, but it fit. I could close all doors, kids were still in there, but it couldn't even like stand up straight in my house, in my home. Here it can, because it has a really high ceiling. First I'm going to show you how big this package is. I don't know, can you see? No, you can't see. But it's like a super duper long package. So I'm going to try and open it. It fit super well. So I got one side open. So now something has to like come out. Okay, so last time I also got a backdrop from Fox Backdrop. I put a fragment in here and it was packed in a tube, rolled up really tight and did show some wrinkles. So this time they didn't use like a second tube inside, it's just a backdrop inside. So that's great, so it's not rolled up as tight. So hopefully no wrinkles. It looks like no wrinkles. It also looks like yeah, there you go. So now we've got this. It's a little bit smaller and lighter, and I think it's already the backdrops in here. I actually can't remember the designs I picked anymore, and I didn't check back home, so it's a little bit of a surprise for me as well. But when I choose like a backdrop that I want it to look nice with the floor as well, I do pay attention to that, because you see a lot of like Christmas backdrops where you see like half of a carpet and then it stops. And it's like, how are you going to make it look real? Like you need to have like a rug that looks very similar and like put it on top of it or whatever. So I want to have like a distinction between the backdrop and then the floor, but to make it look real, like to make it kind of like run into it. So first I'm gonna get this plastic off. I'll be back. Okay, so it's time to dress up and reveal my Christmas backdrops to you. It's a look. So I'm gonna stand up and show you. So here we go. I'm as excited as you, of course. The material is again great. It's like vinyl, you can hear it. Later I'm going to show you close up, and then in the back it's almost like a fabric. It's vinyl, so that's great. This looks so beautiful. Gorgeous. I should put it somewhere where I don't wrinkle it myself. Maybe here. Okay, wait. Oh, this looks so great. Yeah. So I I remember why I picked this one, because in the bottom you see white snow, and I have like a faux fur that's like 3 meters wide. I can put it on the floor, it's white, and then it runs into the background. I'm super excited. I wanted to go for like warmer tones, like for my kids I brought like jackets and hats and scarves and shoes, so that they can pretend to stand outside in front of this beautiful house. I know the table is in front of it, sorry. Okay. So here we go. You can actually see the background better. I look like Spider-Man. But anyway, so I love it. It's warm toned. I can put like faux fur in the front. That's kind of like snow, so it's beautiful. I'm gonna put the dimensions in the screen right now because I can't remember. But I want to be able to photograph like a whole family here, so I wanted to go a little bit bigger. And yeah, I'll put the link to the actual designs in the description as well. So it runs even further. I don't even have the space here now to show you the complete design. It is, and here you go. It is absolutely beautiful, like a little Christmas house decorated. I love the front door. Of course, it's not going to be great in perspective where like the kids will appear quite big in front of this door. So I need to create like kind of like a distance between the kids and the backdrop. But we'll see how it goes, but it looks beautiful already. My kids are actually coming to watch. Vind je het mooi?
Ja, super mooi. Oh, this is
Mooi means beautiful. Wow, fantastic. Okay, so we're gonna open the other one. We gaan die andere ook even openmaken. Okay, so now it's time to open up the second one. So excited. So this is more like a wintry white snow decor, which means that I'm going to move the actual like faux fur from one backdrop to the next, probably, because I only have one. But it's okay. I'm gonna lay it here so it doesn't wrinkle. Completely wrinkle free out of the package. Absolutely great material. So yeah, this is, I love this perspective. Okay, so yeah, this is also a backdrop, which is like kind of like an outdoor backdrop. So it means jackets, hats, scarves to make it look like a little bit believable. So I probably didn't really pay attention to that. So both backdrops are more for like outdoor clothing. But of course the gift one, I'm going to show you how I'm going to dress my daughter. And my son actually as well. Like they're going to wear like sweaters, and she'll have a dress with like a furry cardigan and stuff, and then maybe a scarf. So they can still wear their beautiful winter outfits, but not pajamas. Because that will look kind of strange probably. But my last year's setup was with pajamas. So it's nice to do something different now. Of course I'll have some different clients, I'll have some similar clients. But then if you have pajamas like 5 years in a row, maybe it's nice to do something different. So yeah, beautiful winter wonderland. So I'm just gonna roll it out completely when I'm gonna put it on. So this will be a challenge too. Whew, feeling a little bit warm with the hat. But so yeah, now comes a challenge, because I have a backdrop stand and it's not wide enough for the backdrop, but I can extend it. So I'm going to try and clip it on there without wrinkling it too much. But I'm by myself. Well, the kids cannot help me, so yeah. My mistake, that backdrop stand is not one that you can pull out. It's actually one where you have to put like an extension in there. I don't know where that one is, so I'll go first with the other backdrop stand. Okay, so now I pulled it out as far as it gets. It's like 3 meters, I think. Now you can see it completely. I think the background is wider than this one, but we'll get somewhere. Okay, just imagine I'm gonna put it up now, then take it down, and then for the actual minis, put it all back. But it's a very simple decor. Because if you have like a living room setting, you need like chairs and books and baskets with like blankets and stuff. We'll see how it goes. Good. So yeah, on the actual mini day, I'll make sure that there's no background underneath, but I didn't want to take it out now because otherwise I have to put it back on later. And I have kids with some patience, but they're 4 and 6, so I have to work a little bit fast. Okay, so honestly, like about a dozen times I considered throwing this thing out because it's faux fur. I use real Flogadis for newborns, but I am happy I didn't throw it out because it is like a 3-meter long faux fur blanket, and it's gonna be hopefully perfect for the floor for the shoot. It's not as white as the backdrop, but maybe we can fix that. Very important to have a floor matching with your backdrop, or to have a backdrop that runs into the floor. But with the Christmas ones, you often have like gifts and stuff, and if it runs into the floor, you cannot stand on it. So it's kind of like, yeah, but this works hopefully. So here you see kind of like the full thing. So this is backdrop number 1. I think I'm just gonna clip the second one on here when we finish with the first one. It's now still on the floor. It's a mess here. So I'm gonna show you the outfits I have for the kids. Okay, so they like this decor the best, so we're gonna start with this one and then maybe not even get to the second one, but I hope we do. So I brought tons of outfits. As far as shoes, I didn't really prepare well because I wanted them to wear like brown leather boots or something super cute. I don't have it, so my daughter will be standing in the snow with red ballerinas, and my son will have these little sneakers. So at least it matches somewhat. I actually really like my son's outfit. People always say it's hard to find cute boy outfits. I think boy outfits are the best because they're like cool looking and then tiny, which is adorable. Girls' outfits are adorable, but maybe less cool. I don't know. So I have this really nice jacket for him, and he's gonna wear it with so the jacket was actually a present from family in Peru. So it's from a brand called Harvest Boys. So for all these South Americans, I don't know if you recognize the store. And then he's gonna pair it with this sweater. I'll probably have to turn off the heater here because they're gonna be really warm. You wanna even wachten, yeah? So he's gonna wear it with this sweater from the H&M. It's actually a little bit warm now in the studio, so I'll turn off the heater. And then he has these pants from the Zara. So he's gonna be all matchy-matchy. And then with his red sneakers, but I think it's still gonna be adorable. So yeah, I really like his outfit. And then for my daughter, I have a jacket. It's not a winter jacket, but I really like it. It is from the H&M. And then I have this Burberry scarf. I mean, well, it's actually a more autumn fall outfit, but it's still super cute. So for her, I bought a bunch of things. Like I have a pink sweater here. I have, she really wants to wear this like gold dress. I don't know with this decor, but of course you can pair it with like a white fluffy jacket. I also have like this cardigan vest. I really like this one. It's from the Zara. And I mean, yeah, for my son, I always like jeans overalls, but he's probably just gonna wear that outfit because keeping it simple. But yeah, for girls, of course, you can have a dress and then pair it up with like a little bolero. I don't know how to say that one. But yeah, I have scarves and hats. So yeah, yeah, and a jeans skirt maybe for my daughter when she wears this, because you won't see a dress anyway, and it looks kind of cute. I did bring like white leggings for her, but she will be like barefoot in her red ballerinas, which is crazy in the snow, but I mean, it's fake snow. So I'm gonna get them dressed and then come back to you. Okay, so we're gonna try and take the photo. Here I have a flash pointing towards the ceiling, a Speedlite, and there's a Speedlite inside. And here are my models all dressed up. as you can see, I've just put on the other backdrop and I'm going to use the same faux fur on the floor. I am considering maybe ordering 3 meters more in like a pure white, so I can have both setups already ready in the studio for when the people come in and I don't have to change or just have one backdrop. But we're going to test this one now. So I just tried to photograph the kids with this background. Didn't work as well as with the first one because of the attention span. First one was great. This one doesn't look as great in photos either because it's very cool toned and their skin tones are a lot warmer. So it looks really fake, and then the floor doesn't match with the backdrop. So I might just offer one backdrop for the Christmas minis, but at least we tried and tested it. So yeah. Okay, so I don't have like a cardboard center to roll them onto, so I'm just gonna roll them up by themselves together and then place them on the floor, probably behind the backdrop stand. Storage, that's a different video. Nailed it. They're rolled up and I'm getting out of here, and then I'm gonna reorganize my studio again tomorrow because it's a complete mess. The kids are running out of patience. As you can see with the second backdrop, I couldn't photograph the kids together anymore, like holding hands, hugging, whispering something in each other's ear. I couldn't because my son just didn't want it anymore. So I tried to take some photos of my daughter by herself, and then he kept jumping in front of her. But I think I have 1 or 2 good ones. So thank you so much for watching this video on me creating my ad for my Christmas mini sessions. So yeah, I would say if you want to place an ad for a mini session, take your own photos and use them in the ad. So don't use someone else's photos as an example, like a mood board, because clients want to know what the image will look like, and your editing, you know, you taking the photo will probably be different than just having a random photo in an ad. So first take the time, like a week before you post the ad, to, you know, do a test shoot and then use those photos in your ads. That's just my advice. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you subscribe, I have another video coming up where I'm actually showing you some behind the scenes of my actual Christmas mini session days. I'll have Christmas cookies and Christmas music on, and clients come in and I take their photos, and I'm gonna share a little bit more on how I organize my mini sessions, like how much time I reserve for a session, how much time is in between families, what I send the families as like preparation, so that the mini sessions go smooth, and yeah, just great. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the comments. Bye bye.